Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about all the question that is asked in MTS examination 2022. Let's start the video. This video, if you want PDF of this video, please go to comment box and follow the step to download the PDF of this file. This video consists 5, 6, 7, 8 all 6 GK question. Let's start the video. First question in Yamini Krishnamurti is related to which dance? Answer is C. Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. Next question. Who cooperated with Mahatma Gandhi in Dandi Yatra? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. We will start with 5 July question, then 6 July, then 7 July, then 8 July. How much tax did the king collect from his subject in the Vedic period? Option was 1/5, 1/6, 1/3. Right answer is 1/6. Next question. Which is the autobiography of Barack Obama? Answer A Promised Land. Next question. Bharatnatyam is related to which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. Konark festival is celebrated in which state? Odisha. Next question. Most run in one IPL match. Answer is RCB, Royal Challengers Bangalore, 263 run versus Pune Warriors. Next question. Narmada rivers flow through which state? Answer Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Next question. Who appointed the Prime Minister of India? Answer President. Next question. Who is the author of the book Modi Government New Surge of Communalism? Answer Sitaram Yechuri. Next question. Policy of Doctrine of Laws who propound? Answer Lord Dalhousie. Next question. Under which article of the fundamental right the employment of the children below the age of 14 years is prohibited? Answer Article 24. Next question. Who was appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI in March 22? Answer Devashish Panda. Next question. According to the 2011 census, what is the literacy rate of Kerala? Answer 94. Next question. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is related to which musical institute? Answer Santur. Next question. Where did Gautam Buddha give his first sermon? Answer is Sarnath. Next question. Lata Mangeshkar was. Next question. Who is called the Swar Nightingale of India? Answer is Lata Mangeshkar. Born in 28 September 1929. Next question. Name of the Sultan of Delhi who called himself Shadow of God? Answer is Balban. What is the chemical formula of soda? Sodium bicarbonate NaCO3. Who won the 2018 Hockey World Cup? Belgium. Next question. Which of these things does not dissolve in water? Option was milk, salt, sugar, and chalk. Correct answer is chalk. Currently, fundamental duties, how many are there? Answer is in starting 10 fundamental duties were there, but now 11. Next question. Which of these is a type of ecosystem? Option was forest, grassland, tundra. These are some type of ecosystem. Next question. When does the financial year of RBI start? Answer 1 July to 30 June. But central government financial year 1 April to 31 March. Next question. How, on which hill the Jagannath temple situated? Answer is Banjara Hills. Next question. In 1846 was the treaty between the British and whom? Answer is Sikh and British. Next question. What was the sex ratio of men and women according to 2011 census? 9:4:3. Next question. Where will the Men's Hockey World Cup be held 2023? Answer: in India, 15th edition. Who was the first woman Vice Chancellor of JNU 2022? Santrisi Dhulpuri Pandit. Bundi festival is celebrated in which state? Answer: Rajasthan. The population of which metropolitan in the 2011 census was the most? Answer is Mumbai. In which direction Myanmar is situated? Answer: northeast east west. What is the chemical name of NaCl, sodium chloride? Who wrote the novel Gora? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the present Census Commissioner of India? Vivek Joshi. In which state in India Bathukama festival is celebrated? Telangana. In which article the right of equality to the law is disciplined? Right to equality 14 to 80 article. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright, I will have it? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Kwashiorkor disease protein deficiency cause protein. Gidda, Punjab. Who adopted the policy of blood and iron? Ghiyasuddin Balban. Final match of the Who won the UEFA Champions League 2020? Final match of the 2019-20 UEFA Championship, Bayern Munich. Next question: FIDE Championship where in India held? Chennai. Answer is Chennai. Whose book is Ragini the School Girl? Answer: Rajesh Ahmad. Maximum number of seats in the Legislative Assembly of State? Answer: minimum 60, maximum 500. Which of these beaches does not come on the east coast? Malabar coast was an option that is right. Which of the following are example of metamorphic marble rock? Answer is marble. Who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Answer is Raja Todarmal. Who was the next question? Neeraj Chopra belong. Who bought the gold medal in javelin throw in the Olympic? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. Belongs to javelin throw. For India in the javelin event at the Olympic won the gold medal. Next question: between whom did the Kalinga War take place? The Kalinga War took place between the great Mauryan Emperor Ashoka and King Anant Padmanabhan. Next question: Bonalu is festival of? Answer is Telangana. Next question: whose book is Gone Girl? Answer is Gillian Flynn. 2022-23 how much amount was income tax free in the budget? 2.5 lakh. Answer is next question: which river fall from the Bay of Bengal? Answer is Godavari. Next question: where was the T20 World Cup held in 2021? Answer is UAE. From where is fundamental right taken? Fundamental right taken is from America. Next question is FIDE Chess Olympic 2022 was held in where in India? Answer is Chennai. Next question: whose book is Ragini the School Girl? Answer Rajesh Anand. Maximum number of seats? Who was the revenue minister of Akbar? We have to start from here. Next question: where will the 2022 FIFA World Cup be held? And answer is Qatar. Next question: which of the following has the largest atomic radius? Answer option nitrogen, carbon, beryllium, lithium. Answer is lithium. Next question: which state has the largest population according to 2011 population? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. When did Ravi Shankar, who passed away in December 2012, receive the Grammy Award? After 2 months of his death. Next question: which metal is the most reactive? Answer sodium. पंथी dance is related to which state? Answer Chhattisgarh. Next question. What is needed for plant to grow? Answer is chlorophyll. Next question. Who makes or issue ₹1 note? Answer is Ministry of Finance and Government of India. Next question. Pateli festival is celebrated by which community? Answer is Parsi people. Patati. Who commanded the Azad Hind Fauj? Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. How many years in the term of the Legislative Assembly of India it happens? Answer is 5 years. Who got the gold medal in Tokyo Olympic? Answer Neeraj Chopra. Who was given the title of Ghazi after the victory in the Battle of Khanwa? Answer is Babur. Which revolution took place after 1933? Answer Ghadar Party was established. Next question. Who from Asansol is the Bengal by election in April 2022? Have the MLA been elected? Answer Shatrughan Sinha. Where are Sundari trees found? Mangrove forest. Respiratory roots are found in the tree. According to 2021 report, which state has the highest unemployment rate? Haryana. Who is the author of the song "Om Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo"? Answer is Pradeep. Which animal has the considered as the mascot in 2011 World Cup? Answer is elephant. What is the autobiography of Abhinav Bindra? A shot at history. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Air Force? B.R. Chaudhary. What was built by Aurangzeb? Answer is Badshahi Mosque. Nisa Gandhi Dance Festival is related to which state? Answer Kerala. Who is the author of Waiting for a Visa? Answer Bhimrao Ambedkar. What is the national fruit of Japan? Next question. Where is the headquarters of SEBI located? It was established on 12th April 1988 under SEBI Act. SEBI headquartered Bandra Kural Complex in Mumbai. How many Grammy Awards has R. Rahman received? Answer 2 Grammy Awards. When was Satya Sodhak Samaj established? 24 September 1873 by Jyotiba Phule. Where is Brahma temple located? Brahma Mandir temple is located on holy city of Pushkar in Ajmer, Rajasthan. Where is the state of unity located? Gujarat. Narmada. Bank of Narmada River. Minimum temperature would have been around 4 to 5 in the morning. The question was, when is the daytime lowest temperature? Then it is answer. Who won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2021? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Who wrote the novel The White Tiger? Answer Arvind Adiga. In which year did Genghis Khan invade India? Answer 1221. Which singer was awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in 2001? Answer Lata Mangeshkar and Bismillah Khan. What is the SI unit of work? Answer Joule. Next question. Aditi Ashok is related to which sport? Answer golf. Next question. How many times did Mysore and the next war take place? 4 times. First 1766, 1769, second 70 to 84, third 79 to 92, fourth 98 to 99. Which of the following is not correct? Tamarind tartaric acid. Which airport is in Amritsar Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport? In which state Onam festival is celebrated? Answer Kerala. Ustad Ali Akbar Khan is related to which musical instrument? Answer Sarod. Which scheme by the central government for transgender in 2021 was brought? Which ruler did Kautilya join with Chandragupta Maurya was defeated? Answer Dhananand. Under whose protection did Gautam Buddha died? Answer is Malla. Who participate in election of the president? Only elected member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state legislative assembly. Guru Bipin Singh is related to which classical dance? Answer Manipuri. From which city did Yogi Adityanath contest election? Gorakhpur. Who is credited with taking dance to the limitless height in India? Bharat Muni, the author of Natya Shastra. Bhavai is the folk dance of which state? Answer Gujarat. Next question. Which India first from Jammu and Kashmir had flown a fighter plane? Answer is Bhavna Khan. Next question. Total Recall My Unbelievable True Life. Who wrote the storybook? Answer Arnold. Next question. Bhavai is the folk dance of which state? Answer Rajasthan. Bhavai is from Gujarat and Bhavai is from Rajasthan. Which forests are found in mountains region? Ebony, cedar. What are the villi found in the human body? Small intestine. What is the formula of mirror? Formula of mirror is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. In which state did Gatkas dance? Answer Punjab. In which state is Chapchakut festival? Mizoram. Sleeping sickness is caused by protozoa. Richest billionaire in the world? Elon Musk. In which intestine does the absorption of food take place? Small intestine. On which architecture is the construction of Khajuraho temple based? Answer Nagar and erotic sculpture. Hariprasad Chaurasia is related to which musical instrument? Answer is Basuri. Rainfall is measured by which instrument? Answer rain gauge. Article 43B was added to the fundamental right. Tendulkar community is related to for estimating poverty line. According to the 2011 census, India tax is the smallest. Which is the state? Answer Rajasthan and Goa respectively. Rajasthan is higher area, Goa is smallest area. Which when and between whom was the Battle of Buxar fought? Between Battle of Buxar on October 20, 1764, British East. Which commission before Niti Ayog was? Your answer is Yojana Ayog. Who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh for the second time? Answer is Yogi Adityanath. Whose court poet was Harisena? Answer Samudragupta. Sasi. Who is the author of the book The Great Indian Novel? Answer is Sasi Tharoor. Which international organization for trade was created in 1948? Answer is GATT. Which of these martial art was developed in the south? Answer Kalaripayattu. Odissi dancer who got Padma Vibhushan in 2003? Answer Kelucharan Mahapatra. Which is the largest Buddhist stupa in India? Answer Kesariya Stupa, Sachi, Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following Ustad did you play an instrument? In Sarod. Answer is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Who introduced the Tribes Amendment Bill 2021? Answer Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda. Which is the highest motorable pass of India? Answer is Dungri La or Mana Pass, Uttarakhand. Razia Sultan was the daughter of which ruler? Answer is Delhi Iltutmish. Which acid is used in carboxylic sulfuric acid? Man in India versus Sri Lanka test series in 2022. Who was given the award of the series? Answer is Rishabh Pant. Hojagiri dance of which state? Answer is Tripura. Who is known for the discovery of electron? Answer is Thomson. Which acid is found in spinach? Oxalic acid. Razia Sultan was the daughter of which ruler? When did Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar throw a bomb at the Central Assembly? Answer 8 April 1929. What is the minimum age to be elected president in India? Answer 35 years. According to the 2011 census, which state has the population density of less than 100 per kilometer square? Answer North Arunachal Pradesh. Now 8 July all sit question. Start from here. Which article of India Constitution is related to the joint city? Answer is 108. Article 108. Next question. Kamla Narayan was related to which dance? Answer is Kathak. Next question. Who is the author of the book The Diary of a Young Girl? Answer is Anne Frank. Next question. Indian National Congress was split into two groups, moderates and extremists, in which session? Answer is Surat session 1907. Next question. Kadri Gopal Nath is associated with which musical instrument? Answer is saxophone. Next question. In which stadium did Yuvraj Singh hit 6 sixes in 6 ball? Answer is Durban. Next question is which of the following statement is true about suspension? It is option depending question. Next question. Which of the following new-fold mountain? Answer is Himalaya mountain. Next question. Kordang monastery in which state situated? Answer Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Spirogyra is an example of which phylum? Answer Chlorophyta. Thylophyta. Next question. When was the Congress established? Answer December 28, 1885. Next question. Which of the following crops is grown throughout the year in South India? Answer down, rice, paddy. Next question. Which of the following is the number of countries sharing terrestrial land with India? Answer 7. Next question. Sri Lanka and in the Battle of 1526, Babur defended whom to establish the Mughal Empire? Answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Next question. Human Development Index is released by which institution? Answer United Nations Development Program. Next question. Who has been appointed chairman of ISRO? Answer Dr. S. Somnath. Next question. ICC T20 World Cup 2024 will be organized in which country? Answer is West Indies and United States. Next question. Parliamentary system in the Indian Constitution has been taken from which country? Answer is Great Britain. Next question. Sarai Nurmahal is located in which state? Answer Punjab. Pandit Kishan Maharaj is related to which musical instrument? Answer is tabla. These are all questions. Next question. Which of the following is the Deccan Plateau to the south of the river? Answer is Narmada river. Next question. Kalbelia is the folk dance of which state? Answer Rajasthan. Next question. David Warner played IPL 2022 with which team? Answer is Delhi Capitals. Next question. Who among the following was the member of India in January 2022? Answer is V. Anangnath Nageswar. Next question. According to the 2011 census, which is the most spoken language in India? Answer is Hindi. Next question. Atomic mass of hydrogen 1. Next question. British on when did Aurangzeb die? Answer is on March 3, 1307. Who wrote the book Q Roads to Missouri Wents by Answer is Ruskin Bond. Which schedule of the Constitution of India is the Union list of the state last given? Answer 7. 7 schedule. The poverty lines is measured through which? Answer is the poor were assessed to the basic of relative proper poverty. Next question. If the income of a person is the national average income, which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? Answer is rickets. Next question. Straight from heart autobiography. Answer is Kapil Dev, who was an all-rounder of India cricket. Next question. How many open markets operations are there in RBI? These were all questions that was asked all shift examination MTS. Please like the video and comment if you need any helps. Thanks for watching.